This is the Samsonite hardshell suitcase. Today we're going to be checking out its features and seeing if it is the best suitcase to travel with. Let's get started. The Samsonite company was founded in Denver, Colorado in 1910 by Blackhawk, Colorado-born luggage salesman Jesse Schwarter as the Schwarter Trunk Manufacturing Company. The Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner suitcase has a hard shell. It's described as extremely lightweight and durable. It has been created to bring the strength and maneuverability customers have come to expect, combined with a truly unique design. With a more streamlined panel and increased packing capacity and thoughtfully integrated components, the newest lightweight offers a very spacious and effortless ride. Cross ribbon and divider for easy packing, multi-packets for managing belongings during travel, double wheel designed to increase maneuverability, TSA 3 dial combination recess lock. It said that the lock had to be set at 0, 0, 0, and yet still the zippers remained stuck inside the lock. What you need to do is push the TSA lock up and slide it over. That will release the zippers. To reset the code of your TSA lock, you will need a pointy tool. Next to the combination is a silver button. With your tool, press that in. Once that is in, you can change the combination to your preferred number. Right now, I'm changing it to 212. Once it's set, push the TSA lock and release the zippers. Now if I try 213, it doesn't work. Put it back to 212, and it releases. If I want to set it back to the original default setting of 0, 0, 0, push in the silver button, set the combination, and then push in the TSA lock. Opening the suitcase for the first time will reveal the combination and changing instructions we just went over inside the top pocket. Thank you so much for watching. Come back for another video. And we'll see you next time.